My name is Tyler Simpkins. I go to Westminster High School.
I'm Sean Fitzgerald. I also go to Westminster High School. We're both in Carroll County Career and Tech's welding program for class of 2024. We built this bench for Manchester Valley class of 2023 for students and staff who have passed. Some of the techniques we've used to build this bench for Manchester Valley is the CNC plasma for the back rest for the bench, and then we used our oxyacetylene outfit to band up the armrests, and then just used some 12-gauge plate on the bottom for where the concrete will go, and just welding up horseshoes in certain amounts to build supports.
And on the back, I did some TIG welding because it was thin sheets of metal, so I TIG welded them on with the logo. What I enjoy most about this program is that it teaches me how to weld and fabricate.
What I enjoy most about welding is learning how to weld, learning CNC plasma systems, and just fabricating projects for tech center or schools in the county or even myself.
Some of the projects I've made here, I've done stars, I have done benches, I made a fireplace.
Projects I've done are wheel weights, offcuts for those stars, a bench, and a bunch of little dice.
My future plans are to go into the welding industry with TIG welding and make race cars out of it.
My future plans for welding are going to a shop for fencing and decking, building hardware and bracketry for decks and fences using TIG and MIG welding.